I made it to Donner Summit the next day. I gave my buddy OD a call, who lives in, well, whatever, that doesn't matter. I gave him a call once I got to the Donner Ski Ranch. That's where we can get a free 40. I did not drink mine that day, though. I went back to his place, hung out with his kids, which I definitely needed. Got to have some good bourbon, adult talk, and play with the dog. Thanks so much for letting me into your family for a couple days. I appreciate it.
Here you go. You want to go for a long walk? You want to come to Canada?
She didn't come with me, but I think it would have been fun. Anyway, went back to Donner the next day. It was summer solstice. I got my 40, hung out with some other hikers. Oh, thank you so much for the new shorts. Hooked it up. And yeah, I was off. Gross. Yuck. This is the Grub Hub. So cute. I'm not staying here. But it was really close to trail, so I came to look at it. Adorable. Apparently you have to run. This is so cool. I wish I'd gone farther already today. I want to stay because it's awesome. Oh my god. Ooh, look at the ladder to go up there. I guess, right?
Is there like a big wedge?
Yeah, there are these big wedge things.
Holy shit, that looks way more effective.
I want a lumberjill.
My like shitty hatchet that I have at home.
This is super cool.
Yeah, this is cool.
Use all wood sparingly. Apparently Peter was awesome. Very charismatic. Died on a biking trip in 1939. Peter Grubb. My new adventure crush. Since it was summer solstice, also hike naked day. I did not hike naked because I saw a group of children immediately when I got on trail. But anyway, I did decide that I would walk the sun to bed, just to honor the longest day of the year. Still snowy. Morning. I got up around 5:30. On trail a little after 6. And I think I have enough food to make it to Belden if I do 30s. If not, I can go into Sierra City. That's like 29 miles away. So I could either try to hustle, get there later this afternoon, although their store hours are very unclear. Or I could just do the 30s. Or I could still go in, get a milkshake, and then just, frick, I don't know what to do. I'm going to see how far I've gone by noon. Then I'll decide. Pretty, huh? Not bad. Also, I created a route to look at the elevation to get down into Sierra City. Doesn't look that bad. And it's only like a mile and a half, so I'm probably going to go get a milkshake. Maybe grab like a couple more snacks if the store's open. We'll see. I gotta hurry. Get it together, bop it. Ooh. It's like walking through a wilderness bouquet. It's been a fun little trail. Toot toot toot. Got to take the tree all the way down here. Convenient fall. It's over. So I can't decide. The deal is, I think I'm still 5 miles. That pine tree smelled really good. I think 5 miles. Maybe I'm 4.5 from Sierra City. But it's already 2 or 3 o'clock. So, I mean, I'm not going to get there by 5, most likely. Probably doesn't help that I just stopped and took a little break. Anyway, probably not going to get there by 5. The place that is open till 5 is the place that has the milkshakes. I would like a milkshake. So I'm thinking, either I just go to the junction, which means I can just kind of relax right now. I don't have to be so hurry, and just camp there, go in the morning, get a couple more snacks, maybe be able to persuade somebody to make me a milkshake. Or I hike in now, see if there are any other milkshakes to be had. I could probably find some sort of snack to pack out. This is really cool. Okay. I'm probably just gonna go to town, see what's what. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You know how I feel about a good bridge. Look at this. Oh. Man, I keep getting these really crazy pains in my leg. It's weird. It's like my anyway, my leg. Okay, so it's like right here, man. Whatever this tendon or whatever it is just keeps getting like super, super tight. And it hurts so much. Primarily when I'm going uphill. So I just have been stopping. I've been doing all these different, oh God. Oh, it's cramping. I've had like 4 liters of water. Lord. Don't worry, I pushed through for the sake of the milkshake. Hitched a ride into town, did not make it because they had a power outage. This really nice other hiker, though, gave me half a sandwich, and then I camped in a shed. It wasn't that bad, and I felt better the next day.